In the past couple of months, I've made a lot of money from deving, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to show you how I make my money from deving. I just create coins all day and I make thousands of dollars without risking anything, and most people watching this video right now most likely lost money from trading, so I would highly recommend to switch to actually deving. It's way better, you guys will see. Let's go. Now here's exactly how we make money as devs in the trenches. Now as you guys may know, bro, as devs we create the coins instead of buying them. So we find narratives and then we turn them into coins, and when the coin is launched, right, we wait for people to buy in and then we just sell our supply little by little, here, here, and then here. And yeah, that's exactly how we make money as devs, and it's repeatable. You can do that over and over again and you have nothing to lose. If you make a coin and no one buys in, well, you can just move on to the next coin and do that over and over again. You just need one coin to go viral and it can change the whole trajectory of your port, bro. You just need one coin to get a bunch of buyers and then you're set. And in this video, I will be doing a live launch. I will be showing you guys exactly how to make coins live on chain, okay? And everything will be free in this video. I do not sell a course, okay? And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Now, first of all, bro, to make your meme coin, head over to coinlaunch.io. Here is where we will be launching our coins on this launchpad. Now, we are not going to be launching our coins on Pump.Fun. Let me explain why. Do not click off. The reason why we do not make our coins here is because it's over competitive. There's a bunch of coins being created every single day on Pump.Fun, and the truth is that most of these coins, they get no buyers and they get no traction. So that's why I launch my coins on Raydium. You guys will find that launching coins on Raydium is way more profitable because there's way more eyeballs and way more people buy migrated coins for some reason instead of Pump.Fun coins, maybe because it's less competitive. And yeah, to launch Raydium, you need to be using coinlaunch.io. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on this launchpad. It's extremely easy. You can either create a whole new coin from scratch, okay? So just like Pump.Fun, if you have a name, ticker, and image, you can make your custom coin, or you can actually copy coins. I've made all my money from copying coins because it's actually the easiest method. Every single meme coin here has a good narrative and is going viral on Pump.Fun. So all we're doing is copying a coin here back to Raydium to get a shit ton of buyers by using these narratives. Let me show you. Anyways, guys, let's make some money. Let's devil coin live and see how much we can make. Keep watching. It's going to be insane. Let's see how much we can make. Connect your phantom wallet, right? And then now let's copy a coin. When I copy coins, I go for a random one. First of all, just go for a random coin. They're all good. I'm gonna go for this one. Click on copy the Raydium, right? Right here. In the block, click on proceed, confirm, check box, confirm, and then the coin will be copied. Just wait. And boom, guys, now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is really easy, just follow along. For the supply of your coins, for your coin, click on 90%. This will drop 90% for the supply. For the amount of SOL to pair, here put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. Okay, so I'm going to put 0.3. This is just a dev buy for yourself, like that you have supply, and at the end you will get this back once you dump the coin or cash out. You guys will see. So it is not lost, it's not a fee, nothing. Click on create pool, your phantom will show up in your block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be actually live. People will be able to buy in, and yeah, bro, everything will be good. Boom, click on refresh, and boom, the coin is live. Let's go see our meme coin. Let's go see if people are buying in. So go on your trading platform and go find your meme coin. As you guys can see here, the chart is pumping already. This is insane. Oh my god, it's pumping, guys. Oh my god, it's pumping. So many people are buying in. Let's see how much we're up. Click on refresh and we're up 200 bucks already within like 10 seconds. This is the power of deving coins, guys. It's insane. We're making money from our supply and we're making money from the creator fees, okay? So we have nothing to lose. Even if it goes down, right, we still break even and we can just move on to the next coin. So for now, bro, just let your coin pump. I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Let's cash out on our meme coin, okay? As you guys can see, it's up a lot within 10 minutes. this is what the coin usually do. Okay, it's not a bad coin, but yeah, let's cash out. Come back to coin launch, click on refresh, and we're up $2,500. That's insane. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity. Your phantom will show up, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then it should be fully cashed out in front of your faces. Boom! Guys, if I open my phantom wallet, it should be there. Bang! $2,700 straight inside our phantom wallet. That's 2.5k in pure profit, guys, all in front of your faces. And yes, this method is repeatable. You can launch as many coins as you want using this method and just stack up that portfolio. It's all for educational purposes only, but coinlaunch.io will be linked down below. Peace out, stay consistent, launch multiple coins.